To create an offset sketch, switch to the Part Design workbench. Here, click Create New Body, then click Create New Sketch. Now select the XY plane, and the Sketcher workbench will open automatically. Now go to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. Then click with the left mouse button to place the first corner. In the tooltip, enter the first dimension. Then press the Tab key on your keyboard. Enter the second dimension. Then press Enter twice. As the final step, right-click with the mouse to exit the rectangle tool. Also, make sure that the origin point is inside the rectangle. Now hold down the Ctrl key and select the opposite corners of the rectangle. Then select the origin point. Release Ctrl, then go to the toolbar and click the Symmetric Constraint tool. The rectangle is now centered on the origin. The sketch is fully constrained, indicated by the green geometry. Drag a selection box around the rectangle to select all 4 edges. Next, click Offset Geometry tool in the toolbar. Move your mouse to preview the offset. If you are looking for sharp corners, change mode to Intersection in the Tasks panel. If you no longer need it, you can delete the original geometry with this checkbox here. Enable Add Offset Constraint to keep the offset linked to the original geometry. In the tooltip, enter the desired offset distance. This value determines how far the new geometry will be created from the original. Then press Enter. The offset rectangle is created automatically. As the final step, click Close to exit the sketch editor. To extrude the sketch, select it in the model tree, then go to the toolbar, make sure the Part Design workbench is active, and select the Pad tool. Finally, click OK. Next, we'll learn how to mirror sketch geometry.